Imagine walking into a factory where thousands of machines move in perfect harmony, building cars faster, smarter, and more precisely than any human could. This isn't science fiction. This is Tesla's AI factory, where artificial intelligence and robotics merge to create the future of automobiles. Welcome to Future Lens, where we explore how AI and innovation are shaping tomorrow. Today, we're stepping inside the heart of Tesla's production line to uncover how AI is building the world's most advanced electric cars. At first glance, Tesla's Gigafactory looks like any other manufacturing plant. But beneath its clean steel and glass surface, there's an invisible brain, an AI network controlling thousands of robotic arms, sensors, and machines. Every second, these systems analyze millions of data points, from the torque of a robotic arm to the temperature of a welding joint. The AI learns patterns, predicts failures, and even teaches itself to work more efficiently. Think of it as an orchestra. But instead of musicians, it's robots, and the conductor is artificial intelligence. Tesla calls its machines the robots that build robots. These AI-powered arms can work 24 hours a day, welding, assembling, and painting with microscopic precision. Each robot has its own sensors and vision system, meaning it can see and think about what it's doing in real time. If something is slightly off, the system corrects it instantly, no human needed. And when one robot learns something new, that knowledge is shared across the entire network. It's like thousands of machines learning together, becoming smarter every day. But it's not all robots. Humans still play a crucial role inside Tesla's AI ecosystem. Engineers design algorithms, monitor quality, and teach the machines how to learn better. It's a partnership. Humans provide creativity and judgment, while AI delivers speed, precision, and consistency. Together, they're redefining what manufacturing means, not as man versus machine, but as man with machine. So why does this matter? Because AI factories aren't just about building cars, they're about building a smarter world. The same technology that powers Tesla's robots could one day automate hospitals, smart homes, and entire cities. Tesla's AI factory is just the beginning, a blueprint for how intelligent automation could reshape every industry on Earth. What we're witnessing is not just a factory, it's evolution in real time. Machines that learn, humans that teach, and a future that's being built one robot at a time. If you enjoyed this look into Tesla's world of AI and innovation, make sure to subscribe to Future Lens, where we explore the future being built today.